Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money from TD Bank to Zelle. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your TD Bank app on your phone. Now from over here, go ahead, enter your username including your password. Tap on login afterwards. Once you have logged in, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now from over here, you're gonna go ahead, select the Zelle option on top as highlighted. Then right afterwards, this kind of interface gonna pop up with three options including send, request, and split. Since we're gonna send, tap on send option on top. Then this interface gonna pop up right over here, which will ask you to simply access your contact for you to choose whom you would like to send. Tap on access contact. Then from over here, if you have already somebody right over here selected, you can select that contact. Otherwise, tap on new contact to add a new person. Then right over here, go ahead, tap on this option of add from device on top and choose a person from your contact. Tap on their mobile number or their email number, whatever you prefer for now. Then simply verify the information and tap on the continue at the bottom if you think it's correct. Then add in the amount you would like to send and tap on the option of preview at the bottom right. Now the details are gonna show up like this. Tap on this and again at the bottom right. Then from over here, simply check on this I have read the terms and condition box and tap on send at the bottom right and tap on send at the bottom right. Now simply gonna show you this sending. Now simply wait for a while, and once the transaction has been done, this is how the notification is gonna pop up. Tap on all done and you're good to go. So that's basically how we do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.